Time zone in New Zealand and Chatham Islands. Aim of my idea. 1. Present my idea about New Zealand Standard Time. 2. Present my idea about Chatham Islands Standard Time. 3. Present my idea about daylight saving time in Chatham Island. 4. Exchange opinion with viewer. Includes 2 chapters. Chapter 1. Time zone in New Zealand. Chapter 2. Time zone in Chatham Island. Chapter 1. Time zone in New Zealand. New Zealand Standard Time currently observed UTC part 12. Its longitude 180 degrees is reference meridian. Band of time zone between 172 degrees 30 minutes of east to 172 degrees 30 minutes of west. Band of time zone not cover all area of country, especially in South Island. Standard time UTC part 12 not appropriate New Zealand location ahead of local longitude. Daylight saving time based on wrong standard time or ahead of location meridian. Late sunlight and late sunset in same day. Summary of UTC part 12. Not appropriate New Zealand location. Not cover all area of main island. In winter, late sunlight not only by solstice but by time zone ahead of location also. Daylight saving time based on incorrect location standard time. If standard time wrong of location or ahead of location, daylight saving time more wrong. Light in the morning not enough for change clock to daylight saving time. Dark in the morning but excess light in the evening. In equinox, sunlight sunset time is not closer 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. range, inconsistent biological clock of human. Effect. Time zone ahead of location. So late sunlight sunset and late day night. Time zone clock inconsistent with biological clock of human. Wake up in dark morning but sleep in light evening. Hormone secretion inconsistent such as serotonin, melatonin, not good for health, easy for sick, stress. Negative effect to learning or working. At risk of danger work such as work with machine, work at high, which body not ready for working. What time zone appropriate location meridian of New Zealand? New Zealand location between right side of UTC part 11 and left side of UTC part 12. Should observe standard time to UTC part 11 hour 30 minutes. 172 degrees 30 minutes of east is reference meridian. Band of time zone cover all area of main island, both North Island and South Island. Longitude 172 degrees 30 minutes of east through Christchurch. Through Islington suburb. Auckland, Wellington, or important city closer 172 degrees 30 minutes of east than 180 degrees. I think UTC part 11 hour 30 minutes appropriate for standard time zone. Band of time zone cover all area of main island. Daylight saving time based on correct standard time, same of location meridian. Summary UTC part 11 hour 30 minutes. Appropriate New Zealand location. Band of time zone cover all area of main island. In winter, late sunrise by solstice only. Daylight saving time based on correct location standard time. Light in the morning enough for daylight saving time. About February, March, long light in evening and still light in morning also. In equinox, Sunlight sunset time closer 6 a.m. 6 p.m. Brent than UTC past 12 hour. In this slide, I comparison between UTC past 12 hour and UTC past 11 hour 30 minutes. After comparison, UTC past 11 hour 30 minutes, it is appropriate to New Zealand Standard Time. If possible, change New Zealand Standard Time to UTC past 11 hour 30 minutes. For appropriate New Zealand location, for consistent sunlight sunset, for consistent biological clock of human. Daylight saving time rule in New Zealand not change rule. Still begin daylight saving time on last Sunday in September from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock and end daylight saving time on first Sunday in April from 3 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Chapter 2 Time Zone in Chatham Island. Chatham Island Standard Time currently observe UTC past 12 hour 45 minutes. 168 degree 45 minutes of west is reference meridian. Band of time zone between 176 degree 15 minutes of west to 161 degree 15 minutes of west. Or true west of longitude, but Chatham Island is left side of international deadline, so time ahead of UTC. However, Chatham Island hardly inside of UTC past 12 hour 45 minute band. When observed daylight saving time, more wrong of meridian location. If calculate time from local meridian of Chatham Island, local mean time is UTC past 12 hour 13 minutes 48 seconds. Nearly UTC past 12 hour 15 minutes. It is quarter hour time zone. However, should not observe quarter hour time zone because it's difficult for time comparison. Which quarter hour time zone is between full hour time zone and half hour time zone. So can select full hour time zone or half hour time zone. So Chatham Island should change time zone. Possible to choice. Choice A. Full hour time zone to UTC past 12 hour. Backward from local mean time 13 minutes 48 seconds. Choice B. Change to half hour time zone or UTC past 12 hour 30 minutes. Forward from local mean time 16 minutes 12 seconds. Both A and B are fairly time zone for Chatham Island because closer local solar time. I think choice B is more sunlight beneficial for Chatham Island than choice A. So I think UTC past 12 hour 30 minutes should New Chatham Island Standard Time. Daylight saving time in Chatham Island. Still the same day, begin on last Sunday in September and end on first Sunday in April, or not change day. But begin and end time. Begin from 2:45 to 3:45 and end from 3:45 to 2:45 should change. Because Chatham Island should change clock same daylight saving time rule with main island. So, begin time change to 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock and end time change to 3 o'clock to 2 o'clock. If possible, change Chatham Island Standard Time to UTC past 12 hour 30 minutes. Change begin end time of daylight saving time in Chatham Island. Begin 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock and end 3 o'clock to 2 o'clock for same daylight saving time rule with main island. In this slide, I summary T of my idea with table. Summary T of my idea with picture. 1. New Zealand Standard Time, currently UTC past 12 hour. Change to UTC past 11 hour 30 minutes. 2. Chatham Islands Standard Time, currently UTC past 12 hour 45 minutes. Change to UTC past 12 hour 30 minutes. T. Begin and end time of daylight saving time in Chatham Island. Currently begin 2:45 to 3:45 and end 3:45 to 2:45. Change to begin 2 to 3 and end 3 to 2. Summary of my idea. If possible, 1. Change New Zealand Standard Time to UTC past 11 hour 30 minutes. 2. Change Chatham Island Standard Time to UTC past 12 hour 30 minutes. T. Change begin end time of daylight saving time in Chatham Island. Begin 2 to 3 and end 3 to 2 for same daylight saving time rule with main island. Appendix. Sunrise sunset time in winter. UTC past 12 hour. Late sunlight because solstice and time zone ahead of location also. But UTC past 11 hour 30 minutes. Late sunlight because solstice only. Sunlight sunset time before change to daylight saving time. UTC past 12 hour. Light in morning not enough for daylight saving time. But UTC past 11 hour 30 minutes. Light in the morning enough for daylight saving time. Sunlight sunset time in January. UTC past 12 hour. Much of light in evening, but begin decrease light in morning. But UTC past 11 hour 30 minutes. Much of light in evening and still light in morning for another period. Sunlight sunset time in February. UTC past 12 hour. Dark in morning, but excess light in evening. UTC past 11 hour 30 minutes. Much of light in evening and still light in morning also. Sunlight sunset time in equinox. UTC past 12 hour. Sunlight sunset time closer 6 a.m. 6 p.m. range in Auckland only, but in Invercargill not closer. Inconsistent biological clock of human. UTC past 11 hour 30 minutes. Sunlight sunset time both Auckland and Invercargill is closer 6 a.m. 6 p.m. range, consistent biological clock of human than UTC past 12 hour. Thank you source of my knowledge about time topic. Finally, however, all of this slide, especially T of my idea, is just my personal opinion. If mistake or incorrect, I have apologized here. Glad to exchange idea or opinion with you. Thank you for watching.